this is how we type from our Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you if your old iPad mini or iPad, they're eligible to the latest version of iOS. I have iPad mini 4 golden version. Let's see if it's eligible to update to the last version of iOS. Let's go inside the setting option of your device. In the setting, you see at the top, software update. Hit this one. It's searching if I have any update available or not. Of course, it's giving me one version of iOS. That is 15.7.9. so this is eligible for the latest version of iOS. And here you see download and install. So you hit the button download and install. It will ask you the password. So in this case, iPad mini 4 is eligible to download the last version of iOS. Now when you install the new version, some apps may be lagged than the previous version, so do what you feel comfortable. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.